Guys, in my previous video, I showed you how I repotted my dark green ZZ and light green ZZ into 3 separate pots. And I was talking about how ZZ is this particular plant which has like great variation in terms of the growth of its stem and leaves. So today I want to show you some of those variations. Alright, let's start with the smaller ones. So look at the size of these leaves, okay? They're barely as big as my finger. The stem is sort of tender, okay? Soft and tender. And it grows like, the stem grows to a point and then leaves start coming in. So this is the dark green ZZ. Similar to this is also the light green ZZ. Again, the leaves are the size of barely the size of my finger. The mature stem is darker in color and slightly thick, and the newer ones are lighter green. And as you can see, the stem is growing it grows really long like this, and then the leaves come up on top because this was kept in low light. Okay, now compare these to this one. These long ones have come out of these two pots. So look at these now. So bigger leaves, the size of the leaves have become slightly bigger. The stems have grown so tall. Look at that. It starts from here and it goes all the way up here. So can you see how tall that is? Compare that to this pot. Okay. So long stems, you see. Look at this, how long the stem is. It starts here, moves all the way up, and then the leaves on top. So this is the slightly longer variety. Okay, now I'll show you the thickest one, which is this. Look at this guy now. This is also a ZZ plant. Look at its stem. And then look at the size of the leaves. See how broad and big, and look at its length. Right? Compare it to say this one. Same plant, but in different condition and different pot. Let me turn this around. So 2 new ones are coming in, and look at the leaves. So instead of the stem being bare for too long and then leaves starting on top, the stem is only this big and then the leaves start at the bottom. Compare that to this. The stem starts all the way from here to here and then the leaves start. So just different variations of the same plant, and none of these require too much effort in terms of growth and growing. They are easy to take care of, really healthy plants.